Listen closely, because this lesson could free you from the invisible chains that hold most people captive. Life will test you. People will misunderstand you. Circumstances will shake you. And if you allow every criticism, every rejection, every failure to pierce your spirit, you will live as a prisoner of the world. But the ones who rise, the ones who lead, the ones who conquer, are those who have learned to act as if nothing bothers them. This is not arrogance. This is not indifference. This is power. Because what Napoleon Hill taught us is this: your thoughts shape your reality, and if your mind is disturbed, your results will be disturbed. But if your mind remains calm, unmoved, unshaken, then no matter what happens around you, your progress remains unstoppable. Think about it. A lion walking across the savannah does not flinch when the small dogs bark. It knows who it is. It knows its strength. It does not waste its energy proving itself to the noise of lesser things. You must become the same. How? By mastering your inner state. By refusing to hand your emotions over to every passing opinion, every temporary obstacle. Because here is the truth. People are always watching. They want to know if you are fragile, if you can be broken, if their words will control you. And when you act unbothered, when you show calm confidence in the middle of chaos, you send a signal. I am unshakable. Abraham Lincoln faced ridicule, defeat, and open enemies, even in his own cabinet. Yet he carried himself with steady grace, refusing to be broken by insults. Why? Because he knew his mission was bigger than his emotions. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times on the path to the light bulb, but he smiled at failure, treating it as a lesson rather than a wound. That is acting as if nothing bothers you. This mindset is a shield. It protects your focus, your energy, your fire. And you need that fire because success demands everything you have. You cannot waste your flame on anger, on gossip, on resentment. Understand this. When you act unbothered, you are not ignoring reality. You are mastering it. You are saying, I choose my state. I decide my response. I will not be controlled by what I cannot control. And here's the secret. Acting unbothered is not just for show. When you carry yourself as calm, strong, and composed, your subconscious begins to believe it. Your body follows. Your decisions sharpen. And soon, you are not just acting unbothered, you are unbothered. Napoleon Hill taught the power of autosuggestion, the practice of speaking and behaving as if your desired reality already exists. When you act strong, you become strong. When you act confident, confidence grows. When you act unshaken, your spirit builds armor. So the next time you are criticized, smile. The next time life throws you failure, stand tall. The next time someone doubts you, thank them for the free fuel. Because every attempt to knock you down is proof that you are rising. You must carry yourself like a mountain. Winds may howl, storms may rage, but the mountain does not move. Its power comes not from reacting to every force, but from standing firm in silence. That is how you must live. Do not misinterpret this. Acting unbothered does not mean you ignore growth. It does not mean you avoid learning. If you fail, learn. If you're criticized, reflect. If you're rejected, adapt. But never allow it to shake your state of being. Adjust strategically, but remain emotionally unshaken. Because here's the truth. Weakness screams, strength whispers. The loudest person in the room is rarely the strongest. The calm one, the collected one, the unbothered one, that is the person who controls the room, the deal, the destiny. This is why leaders are remembered. Martin Luther King Jr. stood unshaken in the face of hatred. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, but emerged with dignity and composure, not bitterness. Their power was not just in their words, it was in their presence, an unbothered presence. Ask yourself this: how much of your energy do you waste on things that don't matter? On proving yourself to people who don't care? On defending yourself against opinions that will be forgotten tomorrow? Your life is too precious to waste on noise. Your dream is too valuable to surrender to distraction. You must learn to walk with focus, with calm, with certainty, as if nothing bothers you, because most of it doesn't. And here's the reward. When you master this, you become free. Free from the opinions of strangers, free from the chains of fear, free from the prison of your past. You move with purpose, clarity, and confidence. That is what Napoleon Hill wanted you to know. Riches, success, greatness, they are built by hard work and desire, but by emotional mastery, by acting as if nothing can shake you. So from this day forward, stand tall when criticized, stay calm when tested, smile when rejected, and keep moving forward, untouched by the noise. Because when nothing bothers you, nothing stops you. You become unshakable. You become untouchable. You become unstoppable.